Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a loader in your website. Well, it's pretty simple. So for the start, we have index.html, then script.js, then style.css, all empty. So I'm going to use this loading animation to add this loading animation before the website. So normally we have HTML content inside of a body, but just for this purpose, I'm just gonna be using this image because this image is of 3.51 MB. So that's a use file. So until this image get loads, we will add an animation. First of all, let's load the image. So dot slash and this, and here you can see how image is loading half by half. Okay, let me just fix this a little bit. Okay, link the CSS. Okay, link CSS. Okay, so inside the main we have the image tag. So inside the main we got image tag. So image will be okay. Yeah. So you can see how the image loads half by half. So imagine this is your website content, and until it's get loaded fully, we're gonna add the loading animation. So for this purpose, we're gonna have dot loader with image dot slash loading gif. Okay. Yeah. Now we're gonna have the loader with position fixed, then z index. Let's give some high z index. Okay. Now T0, L0, R0, B0. Let's gonna set it to 100%. Inside this we have image, so we're gonna display flex GCC C. So it's came in center. Now we're gonna be picking this background color in this loader div. So the background color for this was actually, I have this right here. So here you can see. Now only the last part is remaining, is that when the content gets loaded fully, we're gonna remove this image. So for this, all you have to do is just write window dot add event listener, type load, and then the callback function. So document dot get element by ID of loader will be set to display equal to none. Okay, ID, sorry, ID of loader. So just see, as soon this loading animation ends, the back, yeah. So as soon the background loads, this loading animation will disappear. Thanks for watching.